People always ask me, how much does a kitchen remodel cost in the UK? The truth is the price can vary massively. So here's a clear breakdown of what you should expect to pay in 2025. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the real cost of a kitchen remodel in the UK, including budget remodel prices, mid-range kitchen renovation costs, high-end kitchen installation prices, and the hidden fees homeowners often forget about. If you're keeping your existing layout and you just want a fresh new look, a budget kitchen remodel in the UK costs between £3,000 and £8,000. This usually covers replacement kitchen doors, new worktops, fresh tiles or splashbacks, basic appliances and simple flooring. This is the most affordable way to update your kitchen without doing a full renovation. For most homeowners, a mid-range kitchen renovation costs around £8,000 to £18,000. This is a full kitchen remodel and normally includes new kitchen units, better quality worktops, plumbing upgrades, electrical rewiring, flooring, tiling, new appliances, and professional kitchen installation. This is the most common price range for UK kitchens. A high-end or luxury kitchen remodel in the UK starts at £20,000 and can go up to £35,000 plus. This level includes bespoke kitchen cabinetry, quartz or granite worktops, smart appliances, structural changes, high-quality finishes, and premium installation. These kitchens focus on craftsmanship, durability, and design. Homeowners are often surprised by the hidden costs that come with a kitchen renovation. You should budget an extra £500 to £3,000 for rewiring and new circuits, moving gas pipes, plastering walls, removing old tiles, new flooring, waste removal, and unexpected repairs. These are the things that typically push kitchen prices higher. The price of your kitchen remodel depends on the size of the kitchen, the quality of materials, the amount of plumbing or electrical work, the type of worktops you choose, whether you move appliances, and the labor costs in your area. These are the main factors that change the final cost. To avoid being ripped off, get at least 3 kitchen installation quotes, check real customer reviews, ask for proof of previous kitchen remodels, avoid large upfront deposits, and make sure everything is itemized in writing. Good kitchen fitters will happily show you their work. If you want a full breakdown of kitchen renovation prices, budgeting tips, and access to trusted local kitchen fitters in your area, make sure you subscribe and comment guide to get our free UK kitchen pricing guide.